My trans son kept insulting me and my wife because he thought we don't support it. So I sent him to Russia to show him what real transphobia is. My son came out as trans a few months ago, and I have supported him ever since. To me, his identity is much less of a concern than if he's happy or not. However, it's been clear that since he came out, he has made everything about his sexuality. Along with coming out, he came to tell me he was quitting his job because his boss was transphobic. I had helped him get that job and knew it was going to do good for his future, but again, I wanted him to be happy. After that, I helped him search for 10 other jobs, though because of the lack of trans leadership in the company, he refused to work for any of them. In October, he came to me and said that his mother and I needed to attend a pride parade with him to show our support. I had an appointment that weekend to take my wisdom teeth out, and I was in a lot of pain. I told him that we can go